Hello everybody, Seth Amazon here, and in this particular tutorial video I'm going to share with you how you can contact Amazon support when your account is disabled, when your account is blocked, when your account has been terminated, and then you are trying to reach out to Amazon. Perhaps you don't know why the account has been closed, and or you have an issue with your book, or you have an issue with your account and you're unable to access your account directly. So a lot of people have had these issues. I've gotten comments saying that the way I had shared in some of the previous videos I have done on my channel has not been helpful. So I thought to share this video that might be new to help a few people, or as many as is going to help, because I believe that with every new update there's also new help, right? So if you're new to my channel, welcome. On this channel I share very useful tutorials and insights, ideas about how to publish your books using Amazon KDP, or do self-publishing beyond Amazon KDP. I'm going to be going into more that has to do with content creation, book writing with artificial intelligence, with AI, and then also talking about digital skills and how you can begin to earn, from the digital space generally. So in the coming weeks, I'm going to be doing much videos in that direction. But if Amazon KDP primarily is your aim, I have a series. I have series of tutorials. In fact, I have a full playlist where I share everything you need to know about Amazon KDP from start to finish, right? Generally, and you can just click maybe at the end of this video, whenever it pops up, you can click on that link and then go watch it. So, but for this video, I'm going to be specifically showing you how to contact Amazon support when your account has been disabled, right? So what you just need to do is you log into another person's account, maybe your husband's, your wife's, your partner's, your child, whoever you can have access to that has an active Amazon KDP account. All you just need to do is to log into their account, and through their account you can potentially reach out to Amazon support to be able to sort out your own issues. I really hope that this helps you. So what you should do when you are logged in is to just come to this part where you see help. You just click on help, right? And then once you're here, you just scroll down to the bottom like this. You click on contact us, right? You click on contact us, and then now it depends on what your issues are. Maybe you have issues with your account, the bank, tax information, or book formatting and publishing issues. Maybe you had issues. Amazon sent you an email that they found issues with your book. Maybe misleading, or this is what they use. They say misleading customer experience, something like that. Maybe it has to do with your manuscript, and then with that they blocked your book and block your account or something like that. So you can just look at all of these options and see what is specific to your own challenge, right? So let's say now we have issues with the book or whatever. So what I just need to do is to click on book formatting and publishing like this. And then from here now you can see what exactly is the main issue that you're having. So if it's the issue with your book status, you published the book and then the book got blocked, and then you're unable to reach out to Amazon because you cannot access your account. So in this case, I'm going to click on book status, right? So it's going to say a lot of things here. All I need to do is just go down, because it's going to give you a lot of information here that you can look at, read, and most times most of these things here might not help you. So all you need to do is to try to find a way to speak to Amazon support directly. So all you need to do is to come to this part where you see contact us, click on contact us, and wait for this option to come up. Sometimes it might not come up depending on the time in which you reach out to, and you come to this direction. Yeah. So if you are in the US or the UK or a first world country, you can be able to just call Amazon directly. Just click on this call us, and then you see that they'll ask you for your region. So there are two options: whether you put your phone number, or you put whatever. Just you do something here, put your phone number, put the extension, and then you can request a call, and Amazon is going to call you directly. right? Or you can even choose a other different contact method. But what I want you to do instead, so now I'm just going to go back because I'm not supposed to click on that. I'm just going to go back and come back here. So what I just want you to do instead is to, when you click on contact us, you wait for this to come up, then you click on start chat. Now that's the point where I would want you to. So this can work now for especially those who are not in first world countries. You don't have access to direct calls. Even when you put your number, calling you directly, the chance of them calling directly might be slim. So I want you to use this chat option, right? So when you click on that, now this is where you are now able to create the possibility of being able to, possibility of getting help, right? So see the question they're asking you, KDP account holder name. So here now you can type in the name of the account holder in which you are trying to seek support for. And then here as well, you type in the ASIN for the specific book if you know the ASIN. If you don't know the ASIN, you just type in the account holder's name of which you are trying to get help from, and then you just click on start conversation. So when you click on start conversation, they'll now ask you information as to what specific help you need. So from there, you can now start to interact with them based on the issue that you are having challenge on, right? So from here now, you can tell them that you are reaching out to them from maybe your husband's account about your own account, right? So in this place now, you are going to put your own account holder's name. You're going to put your own account holder's name, the name of the account that has issues. You put it here. You click on start conversation, and then you start the interaction. So from there, you can be able to get help. I've used this method to be able to get help for I think one or two persons. So, but I don't know whether it's going to work across every single person who tries it. So, but it's a new idea, it's a new structure, a new concept. This option was not here before. In the previous, check my previous video, you see that this was not here. So, if you just try it out and let me know in the comments if this worked for you or not. If it doesn't work for you, let me know in the comment. If it works for you, let me know in the comments. And then from there, we can be able to now develop newer ways to help you see best ways to reach out to support, because reaching out support is very important. Amazon can be very funny sometimes. You have an issue, you send emails, nobody replies. But I know that through the chats, they are swifter in replies. So this is what I just have for you guys today. But going forward in other subsequent videos, I'm going to be creating more content all across the publishing space as a whole. I'm going to be showing you more ways to earn from your book, showing you why you don't necessarily need to be publishing so many books to make money from it. I'll show you strategies in which you can make more money from the single book you have, leveraging other platforms, leveraging other marketing strategies, and also leveraging so many other digital skills. Show you how to also use artificial intelligence to make more money using content creation, using books writing, and so on. So I hope that this video helps you in this case, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, and just let me know in the comments so I will know what next best tutorial to create or kind of video to create. All right, so I'll see you in the next tutorial I create, and I really hope this helps you. Take care for now. Bye.